Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this vinyl to put on my dryer. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I had seen in a magazine, it had like a picture for, it was like all laundry room decor, like really cool things for laundry room areas. And I don't really have a laundry room. I have a washer and a dryer stacked on top of each other and a water heater behind this that I keep my stuff on. So this is the extent of our laundry room. And I wanted that saying because I laughed so freaking hard when I read it. I thought that was the funniest shit ever. Like, I laughed so hard. Let's get ready to tumble. That's genius for a dryer. Like, that's crazy. So I kept wanting to like buy the picture, but again, I have no room. I have no place to put it. It would just been a waste. So I thought I want that saying in here somehow. So I thought, let's just put it on the dryer right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I created this, how I did it on the Cricut Design Space using my phone, the mobile app, and then how I printed it out, laid it out, weeded everything, and then installed it. So if you want to know from start to finish on how I did this using my Cricut, then stay tuned. I'm gonna first start off using my Cricut app, and I'm gonna go to a canvas to start making my design. I'm gonna go through each word that I want different and group them up so I can start going through the different fonts and creating the image. If I'm torn between different fonts on a word, I will go ahead and just do a duplicate of it so then I can continue and just do the different fonts, and then I can actually visually see the difference between them, and then I can weed out the ones that I don't want so I can continue with the ones that I do. Now that I have chose all of the different fonts for each word, I'm going to go ahead and arrange them so I can maximize the most space so it fits perfectly in the center of the dryer. So I might not be quite happy with this, so I'm going to continue to keep playing with the fonts for the two. So now I'm actually looking through what Cricut has available to use, and I'm looking for some type of clothing that and this right here is perfect. Now I'm going to double check the measurements for my dryer, the width and the length, so I know which size to make this entire piece here to fit dead in the center. So then now that I have all of that done, I can go ahead and arrange my boards. It does spread them out within multiple boards, but I like to go ahead and put them into one board, and I just cut the little pieces and arrange them on one. Right here, I actually noticed that it was going to separate all of the words, so I had to go back to the main image and group them all together so it would actually print all together, and now it's all one legitimate piece. So now I can continue moving everything and laying the boards out, making it easier to print. Okay, so now that I have all of my images done and cut, and basically I just lined up where it looked like it was going to print, and I just put them here. So that's why I have little random little pieces around this board, but hopefully if I did it correctly, they will all print, and I did. So now I can go ahead and lay out the one full sheet because it is a bigger area. While that one cuts, I'm going to go ahead and go through all these little ones and just weed out and clean them up to get them ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the piece of transfer tape so I can get this all set so when I get to the dryer, I can transfer everything over. And what I found is the best way to remove the vinyl so you get less curl, even though this whole sheet just curled, you flip it over and pull it from the bottom. And then I always put the plastic back over the sticky part immediately so nothing gets stuck to it. Okay, and after weeding that one out, I'm going to go ahead and apply the transfer tape so this is ready too. The smaller little pieces, I'm not going to use transfer tape because they're so small, I can just apply them, but I'm just going to use this for all the main pieces. Okay guys, so that is my dryer. It does sit on top of the washer, but this is how it looks now with just this little window here. And we are going to now decorate that window. So let's get to work. Okay, so I'm going to clean it. Let me first make sure that it's going to fit. Yes, okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the top first. So let's get ready to tumble. In here, I am using the Cricut tool just to get everything to stick down. If you don't have a Cricut tool, you can use like a credit card or anything that would work the same way. It just basically gets everything down to make sure it stays when you remove the transfer tape. Okay, so for these individual ones, I'm gonna just put them on. I'm not going to use transfer tape because they're so small. So just like one sticker. I feel like I should be able to do that. So now the little clothespins. All right, there is the finished product. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, so that is how I created this right here. I think it is just so cute. Again, let's get ready to tumble. That's just a genius idea for a dryer. So I wanted to take you along with my craft little project to do today because you guys want more craft videos and more things that I do with the Cricut and stuff like that. So here you go. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this idea? What do you think of the process in doing it? I'm telling you, it is super, super easy, super simple. And I love my Cricut because the things you can do is just limitless, really. So there you go. I think that is super cute. And again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think about it? How do you think it looks? And yeah, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.